Hi, I'm Umeshkumar Bissa, working as a senior lead consultant at Infinite. I've been part of Infinite for around 3 years, and it's been a journey of continuous learning, collaboration, and growth. I lead the PMO Operations team for our healthcare accounts. My focus is on driving operational excellence, streamlining processes, and ensuring smooth project delivery. I work closely with cross-functional teams and stakeholders to improve governance and reporting efficiency. One of the most rewarding experiences has been learning and implementing process automation, which helped reduce manual efforts and improved reporting accuracy. We have also enhanced visibility through Power BI dashboards and improved data-driven decision making. Optimizing PMO operations has helped us deliver better value to our clients and teams. What I value most about Infinite is the culture of trust and empowerment. You're encouraged to explore new ideas, take ownership, and bring your perspective to every initiative. The leadership is approachable and supportive. Infinite has provided me with immense exposure to both technology and operations. This experience has shaped me both professionally and personally, preparing me for broader responsibilities. It's been a fulfilling journey so far. I look forward to continuing to contribute our shared success and bring part of Infinite's growth story.